Hello everyone, I'm Anıl Özkaya from Özlüce High Schools.
Hello everyone, I am Eren Ağırgiden from Özlüce High Schools.
Today we will discuss about two questions. Our first question is, should schools teach how to use AI safely, and can AI feel emotions like a human teacher?
First, I think they shouldn't teach the AI in the school because AI is very unstable thing. Like if you teach the things now, it can be changed in next year so much.
I think AI can be taught in schools because they can be dangerous most of the time, because there are a lot of misinformation in internet and it's AI.
And I think it's made inequality in teaching because some people can't access to AI like we, and that's make inaccessible for them.
But there are a lot of people who can reach AI. They can learn how to use AI safely, because that's really dangerous if you don't know how to use AI.
And I think AI makes people less creative than normal. You can ask whatever you want and it gives the information and you do it. Like you don't think about it.
That makes our lives easier.
It makes easier, but it makes people less creative than normally. It doesn't affect in positive way, I think.
And I want to ask you a question. You say AI shouldn't be taught in schools, but if schools don't teach how to use AI safely, how will students protect themselves from misinformation or wrong informations?
They can use AI, but they don't need to teach it in the school. You can look at home if you want, but they don't need to teach in school.
But if they learn in home, that will not be obligation. But if will they learn at home, that will not be an obligation, because if schools teach how to use AI safely, that will be obligation and you will have to learn how to use AI safely.
I don't think that way, but and what do you think about the jobs, like teacher jobs? They will be like probably gone because AI is developing so fast.
I think that will be because AI developing so fast, as you can say, and that's why schools teach how to use AI and how to use AI safely.
And I think if they teach AI systems like so much in school, I don't think there will be any jobs like teaching, teachers and other so many jobs.
Okay, let's continue with the second question. Can AI feel emotions like a human teacher? What do you think about that question?
I don't think they can, because it's a fake AI thing. That's not a human thing, and humans can feel what you think more than AI, I think.
I think that if we teach how to feel like a human, AI can feel emotions like a human teacher, because we teach it how to feel and we teach it emotions.
But I think it will be like fake empathy, and it won't get probably the jokes we do.
But if AI can analyze students' emotions, AI can feel like a human teacher too.
Maybe, but I don't think that will be a good thing for we.
Okay, thank you for listening to us.
Thank you for listening to us.